Hey, it's Matthew with SEO Gets. Today I wanted to talk about site annotations and how it relates to your Google Search Console. So once we jump into the performance report in SEO Gets, we can see that we have the ability to create notes for your site that appear on the dashboard so we can track how things are performing. Up here in the top right corner, we have the ability to toggle the core updates in your own custom site annotations. So I can come over here and hover that, okay, August core update happened here. I can click here to learn more if I want. And so it's very straightforward and simple. What you can do is on this dashboard, you can click on any date and it will give you the ability to create a site annotation. So a site restructure. It selected all of our pages. You can create which pages you want it to target, or if you've already set up content groups, you can create the content group. Went from flat to siloed, however you want to label that. I'm going to put all pages. I'll hit save. And then so now what I can do is I can also come into the annotations tab right here, and I can see how all of these have been performing. So if my features post update was only talking my features pages, I use the content group features, and I can see that since August 21st, the 30 days after, we had an increase in clicks and impressions. So it looked like that was a successful test or successful add to the site. The site restructure was a negative impact. And so you can come through here and select the different time selection. You can select by impressions, click-through rate, rankings, all the different things right here. Super easy to tell with the red and the green. And then if you want to create a new note, you can do it right here. So it's very straightforward and simple. We'll probably be adding to the annotations tab and the annotations features, but a super useful tool to create SEO tests, to understand with your team, communicate with your team what is happening and what movements are happening and how it impacts your site. We hope you enjoy. Thanks.